ISEE stock, Iveric Bio Inc., currently up 59.26%, trading at $13.85 in this session of the 10th of September 2021. Price reached a new 52-week high of $15.53. This exceeds the previous high of $10.94 by $4.59, and it is 221.53% above the 52-week low of $4.83. So there's a news out there. It says here, Iveric Bio Inc. Yes, obviously it got some upgrades. Some upgraded it to $22, some upgraded it to $21, and an analyst at Stifels says that the company is not a first mover in the still untapped geographic atrophy market. Iveric could well be the treatment leading for this indication. Zimura, the drug or the treatment, has demonstrated high statistical significance in the pivotal study and can potentially emerge as the only treatment that could prevent vision loss and function. And there are a host of other pieces of news there. And yes, the stock is moving on, extending bullishly on some positive outcomes. The underlying trend is also bullish. You can see that it's been extending bullishly since probably since October of last year, and has just been relentless. So it's moving on in stages, pretty much from October up till sometime in June. It was just extending nicely without a very steep angle of attack, and then suddenly there was this spike here, spiked up, and then after that it has also continued to extend nicely as well without a very steep angle of attack now. And of late, sometime as at the end of August, or rather early this month, it started to retrace. Suddenly came this news and it has now escaped up. The gain is now 60.36% as we speak. So it has a float of 104 million shares. Sorry, it has shares outstanding of 104 million shares. The float is about 70 million or thereabouts. So before now, we can see that the momentum was poor. It's now improving. It's improving now. Momentum here as well has significantly moved up. Unbalanced volume indicator has equally moved up as well. So the readout says it's strongly bullish. Its 200-day moving average is upward sloping, and the MACD histogram is above zero and rising. So we have that momentum is strongly bullish. It's it's improving, and as investors pay high prices for shares. Last 10 days have seen significant volume in ISEE stock, with average daily volume above the average for the last year. Today's volume is no exception, with 125.351 million shares having been traded already. The unbalanced volume indicator is bullish. The slope of the indicator is positive and suggests that buyers are presently more active than sellers. So things are improving. So we have more than above average volume, more than above average, way above the float volume. Float volume is about 70 million. So this is approaching 100% its float. So that's a very big day for ISEE. Yes, this is definitely the overall trend is a bullish one, and we have seen that it has the ability to sustain the bullishness. The bullishness keeps on feeding on itself as it concerns the stock. So it's a stock to watch. But left to us, we'll say just hold on and see that it pulls back, corrects before you get involved. Definitely, it's a stock you would want to have in your portfolio. More outcomes are coming for sure from this stock, and yes, things are looking good technically and fundamentally as well. Yeah, we'll continue to update you. Just be careful if you want to get involved with this stock. It has continued to extend further, and the gain is now at 62.60%, trading at $14.10. So just know what you're doing with the stock. even though it's definitely a stock to own, but right now it's trading at a huge premium to all of its short and intermediate moving averages. If you're going to buy it, just know that there's a good chance it may pull back as well. Just know you're buying something really hot and expect the worst to happen. Okay, so we'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.